In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make invoices with Revolut Business. If you already have an active merchant account, you can use it to create and send clear, professional invoices to your customers. An invoice is more than just a bill. It's an official record of a sale that shows what was provided, how much is owed, and when payment is due. Keeping this tidy and consistent helps you stay organized and makes it easier for your clients to pay you on time. To get started, open Revolut Business and head to Home on the main menu. The next steps are slightly different depending on your device. On the web, click Merchant and then Online. On mobile, tap Merchant, then use the icon in the top right to access the invoicing tools. From there, select Invoices and choose New Invoice. This opens the invoice builder where you'll add all the important details. First, add or select the client you want to invoice. If they're already in your contacts, pick them from the list. If not, enter their details so the invoice shows the correct recipient information. Next, complete the invoice details. Include the items or services provided, quantities, unit prices, applicable taxes, and the currency. Add a due date and any payment terms your client needs to know. If your client uses purchase order numbers or specific references, include those to make reconciliation easier for both sides. A short, friendly note can also clarify what the invoice covers and reduce back and forth later. Before sending, take a moment to review the entire invoice. This is where you confirm totals, tax calculations, and client details. Some parts of the invoice, like company address formats, number sequences, default tax rates, or branding, are controlled in invoice settings and can't be changed directly on a single invoice. If you notice something structural that needs adjusting, update it in invoice settings first so future invoices are correct. If everything looks right, select Send. Revolut will deliver the invoice to your client and you'll have a record of what was sent. You can edit any unpaid invoices or invoice drafts if you need to fix a typo or update an item. Keep in mind, once you open the new invoice screen, the invoice number is registered permanently. That means each attempt reserves a number, even if you don't end up sending it, so it's best to have your details ready before you begin. That's it. Start from home, move into Merchant, open Invoices, create your new invoice, review carefully, and send with confidence.